How to send money from Wise to a bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send money from Wise to a bank account. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. In order to send money from Wise to bank account Philippines, the process is simple. First things first, you want to head into Wise and sign up for the account. Then once you sign up, you can see where do you want to send money from. You want to send money, in my case I'm from here, Nepalese rupees, and you want to choose currency, and since you want to send it to Philippines, you can search in for Philippine currency here. So you can say Philippine peso. You want to enter in your name here, and then you want to enter in your address. Once you do so, they'll get the request. Now you want to select here send money, and you can see register option at the top. You want to register it and you can go ahead. All you have to do in order to send money from Wise to bank account is you can log into the account or create a new one, select send money, enter the amount you want to send, select the recipient, enter the recipient bank details, review the transfer details, then select how you want to pay. Then you want to connect your bank account to Wise and finalize the transfer. This is how you can send money from Wise to bank account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.